then. Get out of the car! Stop, that's not funny, I can see.
Switch.
No,
Switch.
just go.
I'm not gonna hurt you guys.
Just go. 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 Go. Be a man. Go.
Go.
It's like, ew, you're sweaty.
I'm not gonna go when you're like
Get out.
that.
Get out.
No, she doesn't want to let you drive. Then, ow.
Why do you want to drive?
Because I do.
Stop, it's on the brake, dummy.
It's on the brake.
Okay, let's just sit here and waste gas.
I'll drive your car. Yeah.
I'm gonna die.
Chelsea's gonna watch you.
What?
Let's see on camera.
Okay.
Alright, move. I'm
Use it.
No!
Just sit back here with me in case.
And now it's off lock right
Idiot.
now.
That means I can pull the trigger anytime.
Yeah, it means you can fire. It's actually loaded now.
Oh my god.
No, you're gonna make my hand miss it. I'm gonna pull the trigger on you.
Okay, can we just... Alyssa, just sit in the back with me. It's really not that bad.
Drive.
Oh my god.
Is that like a legit...
No. Oh my god.
What?
The
There's a
view.
truck behind us. Close.
Okay, go. Just go.
The trunk's open.
Fix that.
We're gonna get arrested.
Look at Chelsea.
This goes by first, and then we don't tell you.
Stop speeding.
Where's this guy wanting to go here?
Great. Hold a second. Oh my god.
The trunk's open. Side of the road.
Here, oh my god.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Put it down. They're gonna think we're shooting people. Oh my god.
There goes your little.
Stop going so fast. I get nauseous.
We gotta go find Chelsea.
We had an agreement.
Don't stop. Okay.
Whoa. I mean, stop. Don't really.
Where's Chelsea?
Oh, you're doing pretty buddy.
No!
Get in the car.
Get in the car. I'm leaving you again.
Wow. I was like, oh my god, the trunk's open. It was skin. Okay, can we? Now we can get